This is indeed a huge honor for me to be one of the folks to help induct Larry Ware into the Kappa Hall of Fame. Many of you know Larry. He started out in the underground world, and then he moved to Western Paving in the mid 70s, and mid 90s started Black Cat Milling, and then Alpha Milling in 1998. He recognized the need for turnkey milling services here in the Denver, Colorado market. During his 3 decades of doing that, worked for more than 500 different customers. He was very ingenious, very entrepreneurial spirit about him, very dedicated work ethic, and those things add up to longevity in the industry. He's been like a mentor to me and made me feel like part of his family at the same time. So once again, Larry, congratulations on your induction into the Kappa Hall of Fame. You really deserve it.
I've known Larry for 39 years now, almost 40. First time we met was at a bid opening at down in DTC, and I was high and Larry was low, and Larry slapped me on the back and said, better luck next time, youngster. And we walked outside, and he said, keep your chin up, keep bidding away, you'll get the next one. I don't think I ever did beat him. Larry really contributed to the industry by when he left Western Paving and started Black Cat Milling. Created a little bit of competition in the market, and then switched over and started Alpha Milling, which grew and grew and has really allowed the industry to grow and keep up with the demand for mill and overlay projects. I just really want to congratulate Larry on a great career. I hope you're enjoying retirement, and we still love you, Larry. You can stop by and have a cup of coffee anytime, or maybe a Jack and Coke. Congratulations, Larry.
I first met Larry back in 2002. I was a project manager, and we were milling at night on Pearl Street for the city of Boulder. Larry came out, introduced himself, and then proceeded to give me money to buy everyone on the project dinner. And by introducing, Larry was very humble and never stated, "I'm the owner of Alpha Milling." I'd continue to see Larry driving our projects, inspecting his team's work, seeking feedback on how they were doing. The funny thing is, I don't think Larry ever owned a measuring wheel, and I'm sure that most everybody in this room can relate to that. When it comes to maintenance, the smooth ride we all strive for starts with the milling company performing top-notch. Larry shared this vision and has likely worked on a majority of the streets and the infrastructure along the Front Range. We couldn't be prouder of all your accomplishments and the legacy you have built. Congratulations, Larry, and know how much I appreciate all your contributions to not only this industry, but most importantly, your friendship. Cheers.
Larry Ware, what a great guy. You can always tell when Larry's nearby by his distinctive laugh and mannerisms. I've gotten to know Larry over the last 15 years when we took on the Workin Milling line. Ever since then, Larry and his company Alpha Milling have been buying mills, and they've turned out to be one of our best and biggest customers in the entire Rocky Mountain region. I couldn't be happier to hear that Larry is being inducted into the Colorado Asphalt Paving Hall of Fame. Larry, I can't wait to find you tonight and celebrate with a toast. Congratulations, Larry. You're the best.
I couldn't think of a better guy to get recognition for the Colorado Asphalt Hall of Fame than Larry Ware. And I'm very proud to be sitting here tonight to be a part of the recognition and celebration. And I just want to say congratulations, Larry. We love working for you, and we wouldn't have it any other way.